3 LED lights cut out and installed. One in the middle of the van on the side, one on that side, and one dead center. Then later on today I'm going to be fitting reading lights with brighter LEDs, one in that corner, one in that corner, which are that one just in front of the toolbox and that one dangling down, which have got their own on-off switches, and they are directional, where these up in the ceiling are just fixed lights to be turned on and off on my switch panel, which will be going somewhere on this side wall. Unsure at the moment. Please like and subscribe, and thank you very much for looking. Have a nice afternoon. Bye.